Quick video topic for today is how long does it take to install your roof? I'm Chris with Bill Reagan Roofing, and I'm here to let you know. How long does it take to replace your roof? Usually, to replace your roof will take 1 to 2 days. Sometimes it will take longer than that. To learn how long your roof replacement will take, then, what affects how long a roof replacement will take? The factors that go into how long your roof replacement will take are as follows. First is the size. The bigger in square foot your roof is, the longer it's going to take. The complexity of your roof. How many facets are there? How steep is your roof? That's another factor. The steeper the roof, the longer it'll take. Also, the accessibility to your roof and to your home. If I got to hand carry everything, it's going to take longer. If I'm able to go ahead and drive right next to your home, we're going to do this quicker. The last thing that goes into play here is the weather. If we have inclement weather, it's going to take longer to put on your roof because we don't want to hurt your home. With all those factors that go into your roof, now you know how long it's going to take for your roof replacement. Click on the link below to find out who the best roofing contractor is for you. I'm Chris Bunch with Bill Reagan Roofing.